Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing things a little differently. We're diving into the laziest ways you can make $100 a day online even if you've never made a single cent online before. We've got 5 awesome methods to share with you, and the best part is they're all beginner friendly. So whether you're a student or just someone looking for a side hustle, these methods are for you. Stick around till the end for more details. First up, online surveys. Trust me, there are legit websites that will pay you for your opinion. Sign up for a few different survey sites. I'll link some of the best ones down below and start taking surveys. You're not gonna get rich quick, but if you're looking to make an extra $10, $20, maybe even $50 a day, surveys can be a great option. Plus, it's something you can do while watching TV or waiting for the bus. Some of these surveys are actually kind of fun too. You get to share your opinions on all sorts of stuff, from new products to current events. Sign up for a few sites, start sharing your thoughts, and watch the dollars roll in. It might not be the most exciting way to make money, but it's definitely one of the easiest. Next up, cashback apps. Basically, cashback apps give you money back for purchases you make online. Download a cashback app, I'll link some of the best ones down below, and then just shop online like you normally would. Once you make a purchase, the app will track it and give you a percentage of your spending back in cash. It's like getting a discount on everything you buy, except the discount comes after you've already bought it. You can use cashback apps on top of other discounts and coupons. You'll be surprised how much you can earn back without even trying. Chapter 3. They pay you to watch YouTube. Get paid to watch videos. You can actually get paid to watch videos online. There are websites and apps that will pay you to watch all sorts of videos, from ads to movie trailers to viral clips. Don't expect to be rolling in dough just by watching cat videos all day. But if you're gonna be wasting time on YouTube anyway, you might as well get paid for it. Some platforms even let you choose the types of videos you want to watch. Some sites pay you in cash, while others give you gift cards or other rewards. Just make sure you choose a reputable platform and know how you're going to get paid. Chapter 4. Turning trash into treasure. Sell your junk. This one requires a little bit of effort, but it can be a great way to declutter your house and make some serious cash. We're talking about selling your unused items online. I'm talking about those things you have lying around your house that you never use anymore but are still in good condition. One person's trash is another person's treasure, and you'd be surprised how much people are willing to pay for your unwanted stuff. There are tons of online platforms where you can sell your stuff, from eBay to Facebook Marketplace to Craigslist. You might be sitting on a gold mine and not even know it. Chapter 5. The $100/hour side hustle. Freelance gigs. Freelancing means offering your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. And the best part is, you can do it all online. There are tons of freelance websites where you can find clients looking for all sorts of services. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, a virtual assistant, or good at social media, there's a freelance gig out there for you. Some freelancers are making 6 figures a year working from home in their pajamas. It takes time and effort to build up a successful freelance business, but it can be super rewarding. Check out some freelance websites and see what's out there. You might be surprised at the opportunities available to you. Outro: make money online, easy methods. And there you have it, folks. 5 lazy ways to make an extra $100 a day online. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online. All you need is a little bit of effort and the right information. And remember to check out the link in the description for more ways to boost your income effortlessly.